Hello, welcome back to my channel, and let's change this. In this video we are going to be changing this braiding hair to this, and it's going to be used for our bow or braid. So let's go straight to the video. So welcome back to my channel. This is Kennydebyhair, and the materials we are going to be needing for tutorial is this. We have our bending rollers. This is what the bending rollers look like. Then the second materials that is needed is our thread. This is the thread we are going to be using for today's tutorial. Then the third materials is the braiding hair. So this is our braiding hair color 1 expression braiding hair. So let's go straight to the main video. I'm going to be using my plastic chair for this. So I've unraveled the thread, and this is how I doubled it like 3 times before um bringing it out like this. So we are going to be tying it to the plastic. Just look at the video and followed up. You can see, you make sure the thread is very tight to avoid the thread to be swinging while you are doing the hair. So you want to take your braiding hair, the one you have combed out, make sure the hair is tangle free. Then you form a loop just as if you want to tie it. You can see how I'm doing it in this video. So this is the method you make use of while doing the knotting. So you can see, this is, you make sure the hair length are equal. That is what I'm showing you in this video. So you want to take another one also and try the same method. So keep watching, and I'm going to come back wherever I think I should come back. So before, lest I forgot, if this is your first time of coming by my channel, you welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, you are the MVP of this video. So do it to like and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys. So let's keep watching this video. And one thing I want you guys to know now is, when you are making this DIYs, make sure the hair is tangle free. You can see. So we keep on doing the process, repeating the process until we get to the final stage.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back.
So guys, we are done tying the knot, and what you are going to do, you remember I said it should be tangle free. So you bring your brush towards the expression, then you start combing out, the braiding hair. So you want to make sure it's very soft and straight before you start coiling. So this process is very important to make the hair tangle free, because I get to some question that people said, how last does this thing take in my previous video. So if you want your coils to last long, you need to make sure the expression is tangle free before you start combing out. So after combing out, you've tried combing it out, then you bring your flexi rod or your bending rollers, come across to it, then you start wrapping. So you can see the method I use. I while ventilate why excuse me, while rolling the hair, I started rolling the braiding hair on the flexi rod. You can see how I'm doing it. So that is the same method you are going to use while doing your own. So this is the method, and if you want the coils to not to be big, then you have to, don't give any spacing, just make it. This is, I give spacing in this first one, but the remaining one I didn't give spacing. I hope you get what I'm saying. So you want to make sure that everything is in that. So after rolling the hair, after trying, you can see I have to try it in this video and kept trying again. But you want to make sure you roll it very well, then you have your twist. So after that, watch the process, and I'm coming back to address the class. So guys, after the first one, you're going to try the same method for the second one. You can see I'm not making the hair to be too big. I'm picking only 4. Then I'm bringing my flexi rod to the braiding hair. You can see I first twist. Yes, if you need to do it like this, then I use my bending rollers on it, then I started twisting on the flexi rod. You can see how I'm doing the hair, so you can also do that. Don't leave any spacing, just as I'm doing it in this video. So once you try this, then you lock your um you make sure you use the um bending rollers to lock the hair. You can see that I'm rolling. Don't forget to roll while doing your own. So yeah, this is how the hair is looking like after rolling, and this is the two of the hair. So let's look at, so I continue the same method with the rest. So let's watch the remaining one, then I'm coming back to address the class.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
So we are through rolling the hair, and the next step now is to take a bow. You should take a bow. Then this step, the materials you are going to be needing is your tresemme conditioner. I'll be using the tresemme conditioner and a oil. This is a weave-on oil also, and the reason why I'm putting this oil is to make sure the hair is tangle free. So yes, this is another trick. So you want to put your conditioner. You can use conditioner of your choice. There is no preference in the conditioner, so you can use any conditioner. So this is the conditioner I'm going to make sure you are generous with your conditioner. Then after that, after putting the conditioner, you want to apply your oil. So I'll be putting the oil here. This is the trick here. Please put the oil so that you have a shiny coil. So I'll be putting the oil inside the mix with the conditioner. So make sure you are generous with the conditioner. So if you are enjoying this process, is really, you are really blessed, you can just give this video a like and subscribe. Thank you. So what you want to go ahead and do is to boil your hot water. So this is my hot water, and I'm boiling it with the shampoo and the oil. You can see how the surface is looking like. So you make sure you look for maybe a comb or anything, and make sure you mix it with the hot water to dissolve the air conditioner. Then you want to take the coils that you have rolled with the banging oil, then you want to soak it inside. So in the process of soaking it inside, make sure everything, I mean every part of the hair touches the hot water. You can see how I'm dipping it inside because this bowl is so small, so I have to take my comb to dip it inside very well. Make sure it enters and leave it for a few minutes. So once everything enters like that, you are good to go. So the next method now is, make sure in this process it enters the hot water very well. I keep saying this because it's very important in this process. So if you have a lot that you have raveled, you can just put it inside a bowl, then you pour the hot water and the leave-in conditioner. Just make sure you follow this step. It's also the same thing. Don't use something that is too small like this when you are doing your own. So once it's soaked inside this, you want to bring it out and put it in. This is how it's looking like after putting it there. So you want to leave it for a few seconds, then look for the towel or anything, then you put it inside just as I'm doing in this video. So this is my towel. I've placed the hair inside, then I'm going to take the conditioner away and dry it with the with the towel. So you want to make sure the towel has as dry the hair very well. So just watch the remaining process and be blessed. Yeah, so guys, this is it. It is already dried. This is how it's looking like. So I'll be unraveling the coils. So let's watch to the end and see how I unravel the hair. So you want to unravel the hair, and this is how the hair is looking like after unraveling the hair.
Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up, the world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up, the world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm